Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view accounts you've blocked on Reddit as well as unblocking accounts so it's all on the same page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Reddit and then select your profile icon up at the top right and then go down and select the settings gear button. Once you're on your settings page, you want to select the privacy tab near the top, and there will be a section that says blocked accounts. Go ahead and select that, and then you can go ahead and insert any users you want to block. It'll start populating this field. You can select the little plus button to add them. Anyone you've previously blocked will be listed down here, and if you want to unblock someone, you can just X mark next to their name, which would remove them from the block list, and then you would select save, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.